Taking a look at the Seraphon Aggradon Lancers today. Yeah. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing video for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the new Seraphon Aggradon Lancers for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. A big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these models, these fantastic looking models. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones as well. A huge thank you to all of you. Now, let's have a look at the box. We get 3 Citadel Miniatures for this faction, and yeah, I dig them. They are very cool. Have a look at the back of the box. We can see, God, it looks like a few options. Oh, I really like this color scheme with the red warrior and the green mount. I kind of like that color scheme. I'm looking at color schemes. We're supposed to be looking at the models. We're not supposed to be looking at color schemes. Anyway, let's dive right in. Let's get the old trusty rusty blade of destiny out. Let's get into this cellophane. Just tear it open. Oh yeah. See, again, this is what I live for. This is my jam. Just cracking open these boxes. Getting some cellophane out. Yeah. All right. This is a bit bigger box than the other squadron boxes. I don't know if that means that there are way more frames in here. By the looks of it, looks like only 3 frames. But maybe they got like some high pieces to them or something. We got 3 cavalry bases. We have the instruction booklet. The booklet has got some thickness to it. And yeah, we got 2 different options for the warriors. We have the hand weapon or spear. Looks like we can put together the mounts, and it looks like pretty standard affair. It looks like it's a single body with different heads and possibly different tails. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gathering here from this information. We get the champion, who can have the head crest or the spears. Very cool. Oh wow, there's a bunch of head options. How come there's so many head options? Huh? There's a lot of head options. There's 5 heads and there's only 3 dudes in the box. I don't know what that's about. Pretty darn cool. Oh, look at the standard bearer. You can either do the spear or the standard. I like the standard. I wonder if there's more options for the standard. Is there more options for the standard? No. Oh, there's plenty of options for the shields though. Oh no, he can also have a different hand weapon as well. Very cool. And what's the other one? He's a drummer, musician. Yeah, musician or spear mounted. Probably just a regular hand weapon as well. I like the placement of the drums on the side of the mount. I like that. That's actually pretty kind of, humorous. I really like these guys. Yeah, it's amazing how many head options they get, considering that, there's only like 3 dudes in the box. That's pretty darn cool. Yeah, you get the different weapon options, different shields. Pretty darn interesting. Now, I wonder if it's just 3 shields and you can just pick whichever shield you want to put on whichever duder. I don't know. Of course, the drummer doesn't really get a shield, but, that's okay. He doesn't really need one. He just bangs his drum all day. So it is 3 frames in this box. We've got 1, 2, and 3. So I'm wondering now if each frame is basically a guy. Like, I'm seeing the standard bearer stuff on this frame. I'm seeing the musicians parts on this frame. And I don't know, am I seeing the champion's bits on this frame? Am I seeing his bits? Could be. Yeah, I see big headpiece on there. Yeah, very cool. All right, so we're going to have a closer look at these, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll do a sniff test. Maybe, if you guys play your cards right, maybe I'll do a sniff test. All right, let's have a closer look at this frame. Now, this frame is the standard bearer, so we're going to have a closer look at this. You can see that really awesome looking standard. I like the big feather detail, too. Is that for the tail? I think that's for the tail, right? Yeah, it's got to be for the tail. Get all the options, the spears. I really enjoy all the details. Oh no, I think that's the musician's little drumsticks. So I don't think, I mentioned earlier that I think that possibly each frame has all the parts for a particular warrior, but no, I think it's all mixed across each frame. So I don't think it's going to be as simple as that. Pretty darn cool though. Pretty darn cool. Okay, so that was the standard bearer frame, or what I was thinking was the standard bearer frame. This one here is the musician's frame. And so we get a look at the tails, all the different head options. I really enjoy these roaring heads of them. Total Jurassic Park. I mean, who out there is not going to paint these raptors like Blue from Jurassic Park? And if you haven't watched Jurassic Park, then, well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you then at that point. Really enjoy all the shields. Look at the details on those. Those are cool. Yeah. The drums are fun. Lots of head options. Yeah, again, I'm kind of surprised at how all the different head options for these models. Yeah. More spears, more details, arms, legs. Yeah. So yeah, I guess they are spread out across the different frames. Little chicken arms. And yeah, you are, you know, you just go through the frames, picking out the parts that you need, and you assemble the model you want to assemble. And, you know, you get moving pretty straightforward fashion. Yeah, these guys are really, really cool. I dig them. Really fantastic. I love all the details you get with these guys. They really have done this outstanding job with the Seraphon, this update, and updating these models. The lizardmen are truly more dynamic looking and so much detail, and they look not quite like, you know, Jurassic Park monsters or anything like that. Like this looks like its own proper faction. Oh yeah, Sniff Test. Jurassic Park's got nothing on this one. Oh yeah, you can smell the Saurus warriors. All right, back to the rest of the review. That is the unboxing of the Aggradon Lancers for the Seraphon army in Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Again, big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons with their continued support, and all you brand new ones, a huge thank you, as well as it allows me to continue to do what it is that I do. You're also watching this on YouTube. There's also memberships down below as well. Feel free to click that and check that out and see if that's something that you're interested in. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all of that helps the channel as well. And all it takes a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing or useless review. Maybe even a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who even knows? Okay, bye.